So in this video, you will learn how to change phone number in Instagram account. So to change your phone number on your Instagram account, all you have to do now, after you open up your Instagram like this now go to your profile. So after you go to your profile like this now, all you need to do now, tap on this as you can see now. Just wait it to finish loading. So tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open the menu like this now go to this account center. So after you open the account center like this now, scroll to down and go to this personal details. So now under this personal details, as you can see now, here is now my phone number. So tap on the phone number you want to change. So as you can see now, here is the phone number. So tap on this, as you can see now, the phone number like this. So under the phone number, all you need to do, as you can see now, because my phone number was linked into my Instagram account and my Facebook account, all you need to do now, tap on this, as you can see now, choose your Facebook, your Instagram like this now. After you choose the Instagram like this now, it says, as you can see now, delete from Instagram. All you need to do now, after you tap on this, as you can see now, delete button, now it will delete the phone number for you. After you delete the phone number, then you can go back and add another phone number to your Instagram account, as you can see now. So now after you tap on this delete now, it will delete the phone number from your Instagram account. So now if you go back, as you can see now, like this now, if you want to add another one, all you need to do, just if you go back, just tap on this add new contact. Just after you tap on the add new contact, now tap on this change and phone number. So in this session, all you have to do now, go and choose your Instagram like this now. Then you can be able now to go ahead and add a new phone number. After you add the phone number, just tap on this next button. It will send a code for you through the phone number that you just added. Therefore, from there you just change your phone number on your Instagram account. That's it guys on how to change phone number in Instagram account. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.